friends. We are doing the next hike to the volcano, and today we're hiking by Trail A, by the old lava fields. The lava wall you see here, you recognize the place when they tried to stop the lava from overspilling into Nathaga Creek. Those famous places from the old Eruption 2021. I hiked from that parking lot over there, Trail A parking lot, and now we keep hiking. That is 2021 cone from 2021 eruption. And, still a long hike, maybe 1 hour more, 1.5 hours. It's the lava, 2021 lava. See, lots of yellow spots, sulfur on it. So people have been throwing rocks on it, and with lots of fog today, or smoke, I don't know. So we keep hiking. Some people hiking this trail too. This will allow me to come pretty close to the volcano. That's the reason I chose it. So 3 different, it's my trip number 4. The first 2 were by Meradalir trail, the blue trail. Second one was from the east, and the third, and one is from the west, happening right now. It's quite windy here on the top when you get on the top of the mountain. This cone erupted in 2021, is inactive. Nothing is happening there right now. Is how it looks from Trail A. And this is the trail. They made pretty nice trail here through the mountains. Trail A had been greatly improved all the way to Meradalir. It's a pleasure to walk, actually, so easy. But you can even bike. Many people take bike to the top of the mountain and they bike here, but I didn't. I left my bike down in the valley, and I just enjoy hiking here now. So not many people are on the trail. Some is getting closer to 9 o'clock in the evening, and there you see the ongoing eruption is over there in that area. Those are Meradalir Nukar, the peaks of Meradalir. That is a coffin mountain, Kistofat. Over there you see there is ongoing eruption over there. So it's still some way to go for me. Next to the pathway they installed those lights for the night, so that people wouldn't get lost. All the Trail A is outfitted with those lights, as you see. So we keep hiking. Another look at the 2021 cone. Got a bit closer, and this is how it looks today on July 21st. 2 years since it was erupting in the summer 2 years ago. some people are catching me up, and there are more and more on the way in between, like small groups of hikers following me. And those are sulfur fields, like sulfur oxidation of sulfur all around, yellow thing. You see, 2021 cone. That's how it looks today in the evening at 9 o'clock. There was lots of activity here 2 years ago. Now all that, nothing happening. So chilly today, unlike the previous days. It got chilly here in the mountains especially. Also very windy. But some people are walking in shorts, as you see, and it doesn't disturb them. Another 1 hour maybe. This is easier trail than to hike from the east through the mountains from Litlihrutur. Another look at 2021 Geldingadalur valleys. Actually, those valleys are called Geldingadalur, if you remember. Geldingadalur Valley, Castration Valley. Walking, it's getting late. I should get there when it gets a bit dark, so we will see the volcano at night in the evening colors, sunset. Keep walking.